Good morning. Today we will discuss about the theory of inference. So what is the theory of inference? This is the one of the subtopic of discrete mathematics. Next, what is the theory of inference? The theory associates such things is called the theory of inference. Next, move on the one of the tools of the logical equivalence. The first law is the De Morgan law. So what is the De Morgan law? Negation of P or Q that can be written as negation P and negation Q. The De Morgan law, R symbol is changes for the and symbol. So the first one is the negation P and negation Q. This is the De Morgan law. Next one, complement law. So what is the complement law here? P and negation P, it can be expressed as the false. This is the and symbols and this is the false. Okay. So what is the complement law? Complement law is P and negation P, it can be written as false. So next one of the tools is the logical implications. So what are the logical implications is P tends to P tends to PQ, PB should be cancelled. So what is the remaining here? Q is the remaining. This tool is called the modus rules. Next another rules, negation Q comma P tends to Q, it can be written as negation P. So what is the here? Q cancels. What is the remaining here? Negation P. This is the modus tollens. So introduce the two type of the rules. First one is a rule P is a given premises. Second rule is a second rule T. This is a derived part. Okay. So derived part. Next move on the one derivation for the further derivatives using the indirect method of the proof. Using indirect method of the proof, prove that P tends to R, Q tends to S, and P or Q, it can be, conclusion is S or R. Okay, the symbol is R. The symbol is R. So what is the indirect method? So the indirect method is taking for the negation part of the conclusions. Negation part of the conclusions. What is the proof? The two proof is yes or R. So what is the taking the negation part to take negation of yes or R. This is the R symbol. Okay. So next one, the step one. So step one. So first one is the what is the conclusions of the indirect method? We will take the negation of yes or R, taking the first additional premises. This is the additional premises. This is the additional premises. How is write the this is one? This is apply for the De Morgan law. So what is the De Morgan law? Negation yes. The R symbol is can be written as and symbol and negations R. Okay. Negation yes and negation R. This is a rule T. This is a De Morgan law. This is the additional premises. So second one is here derived from the first one. Second step is derived from the first step. Next one. So the second step derived from the third one. So it can be written as for the simplification rule. We can take the any one of the terms. So negation yes or negation Q. Well, first we will take the negation yes and the second we will take the negation R. This is the simplification rule. This is the rule T. So the third one is which one is the derived? Third one is derived from the second one and the fourth one derived also is derived from the second one. So this is the negation yes and negation R. Next one, P tends to R. So P tends to R is the rule P. Already this is the first premises. This is a premises is 1. So P tends to R. So this is the fifth step. What is the sixth step? Sixth step combines from the 4 and 5. What is the 4 here? 4 is a negation R. So negation R into P tends to R. So R should be cancelled. What is the remaining? Negation P is the remaining. This is called the rule T. This is the modus rules. Next one, we will take the another premises Q tends to S. So this is the given premises 2. This is a given premises for the 2. So we will take the Q tends to yes. So this is eighth, next one, eighth one derived from the third and the seventh. Which one is a third? Third is a negation of yes. And what is the seventh one? Seventh one is a Q tends to yes. So combine the step negation yes, comma Q tends yes. So SS cancels. What is the remaining? Negation Q is the remaining. What is the rule here? This is a modus tollens. So next combined with the sixth and eighth steps. Combined with the sixth and eighth one. So what is the sixth? The sixth is the negation P. Sixth one is the negation P and eighth one is a negation Q. So combined for the negation P and negation Q. Taking outside the negation part, we will consider for the De Morgan law. So negation of P or Q. This is a rule T. Okay. So what is the next one? P or Q. P or Q is the third premises. Already given for the third premises. So P or Q is the third one. So next 12th step, what is the derived from the 12th step is derived from 10 and 11. 10 and 11. So what is the 10th one? 10th one is a negation of P or Q. And what is the 11th one? P or Q. So combined with this a false. This is a complement law. So this is the rule T. This is the complement law. So what is the conclusion here? That we will take the negation part of the proof. So which is the nothing but false values. So by method, this is a contradiction. So hence P tends to Q, P tends to R, Q tends to S, and if P or Q, it can be written as for S, V, R. This is a hence proof. Thank you.